Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flying Dollar. My name is Jordan. Today, March 19th, 2022, I'm out here. We're looking to run a trail called Schubarth Trail. I met up with one of my subscribers. His name's Austin, and he's rocking another Pro 4X Xterra with a little lift in 33s. And he invited me out here. I guess he was on Facebook. I don't do Facebook. So, but he invited me out here with this group that is getting ready to run Schubarth Trail. Schubarth Trail is, on all trails, is rated as a moderate. So probably not really difficult for somebody on 35s and locked front and rear like me, but it's moderate for if you're running a stock rig probably. The problem is we've had quite a bit of snow on the other side of the mountains. Here in Colorado Springs, obviously, it's been cold, but it's been warm and cold, so it's melted a lot. But you can probably see up there on the other side of the mountain, we're going on the other side of that mountain back there behind this Safeway. And it's rumored that they got a couple feet of snow in the last couple weeks. So we are going to see what happens. Hopefully we won't be breaking trail, because we don't have anybody here over 35-inch tires, I think. So we'll see what happens. And hopefully we can get a decent video for you guys today. Thanks.
soon as he comes up over this, if he straightens out, he'll come up right up this rock.
Yeah, he's got it. He's got enough gearing to get up.
You're good, yeah. You're gonna come right up. Beautiful. Do you want to try to back down and go up the right side?
Oh, that's... There you go. Come on now. Man.
It's a little tippy. You're just gonna come down and you'll go back up. You'll be okay. Probably just have to pull the Hyundai up this.
Yep.
Give it hard.
He's good. He's good. He's got a rear locker, so. There you go. Nice. If this is not an ad for Hyundai, I don't know what is. You're gonna climb on this side? You're good. I think he's gonna have to come this way, like that. But that thing was slick as hell for that Toyota on 35. He wasn't making it past there.
You don't even have good tires.
No, there's a bone stock. Probably got 1,000 miles on it.
It needs a lot of
I'd back him up a little bit.
We might have to push.
No, he's just on a little tiny hump. If he gets a little bit of momentum.
Don't stop. Carry it all the way through. Right? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, carry it through. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Mark, let's go.
Ah!
Don't stop. Man,
That was it.
that was the one.
That was the line.
Back up a foot.
I would, if you keep him on that.
Another foot.
You don't think putting more passengers?
I think, yeah,
Okay.
hard pass.
He'll be all right.
Up
Come on.
that rock.
Yeah,
It'll be
back
okay.
up.
As soon as you get rolling, turn left.
Yeah, because then you'll straddle that.
You're right. Come on. Come on.
Come on, come on. Oh,
Stop.
come on.
Come on. Come on. Man. Come on. Come on. Yep.
Come on, come on, faster. There you go, there you go. Come on. Come on.
All the power.
Yeah, you guys definitely want to get out of the way of that. Be careful, bud. Alright guys, that's it for the day. We are done with the trail. It took us a little longer than expected. Obviously there was like 15 to 20 vehicles out there, but it was fun. I had a good time. Not a hard trail. The snow and the mud made it a little difficult for some people with, you know, maybe the tires got packed in a little bit or didn't quite have the locker to help them out. Or they were driving a brand new stock Hyundai Santa Cruz on street tires. So. But we all got through it. We had a little bit of fun trying to get everyone up through that one obstacle. Otherwise, I would say in the summertime when it's dry, this is probably a trail you could get through on any stock four-wheel drive vehicle with a decent set of tires on it. Met up with a lot of people that we never met before. You know, thank you Austin, our Lock and Load 4x4 on YouTube, for inviting me out because I don't do Facebook, and he said this was a Facebook group, so it worked out well. I think I had fun. Family had fun. Easy day. Time a little timely, but if you like what you're seeing on my channel, please like and subscribe. It's absolutely free. I won't charge you anything, and come on back and see us next time. Thanks guys. See you later.